Skin fade tutorial in under 90 seconds. First, we're going to start with the guideline with our lever closed and set it all around the head. Just like I'm doing here, make sure it's nice and even and straight all the way around the head. Come back and set in another guideline with the 1A blade. And same thing, working it around the head. Make sure to keep your canvas clean at all times. Then we're going to set another guideline with the 3, where mainly the bulking. Here you can see a different technique of going with the grain to preserve length. Then we come back in against the grain using the 1.5 open, half guard open, half guard closed, targeting that very bottom line. Lever open and close spot fading with the corner of your machine, point cutting with scissors, and then just working the overall blend with the scissor over comb technique. Walpro's Vanish is my favorite box shaver. It's very lightweight and powerful to make your canvas skin smooth. And we're gonna start working on the top. Line up my man's mustache, make sure it's nice and even. Here are the finished results. If you like what you see and you enjoyed it, like, comment, and share. Don't forget to check out walpro.com. Use Soulless10 for a 10% discount code, and we'll see you on the next one.